welcome to Adelaide. It is safety requirement to
Morning from Adelaide, Australia. I am so excited that I am back in Adelaide, in Australia, because this is where my whole cycling journey started. And I guess before I get into all the videos that I'm going to be doing, I feel like it's really important just to start off by saying that yes, the fires are absolutely horrific, and I feel like I should mention that before I start filming these videos. Like I know it's happening, and I've decided that part of the money that I get from like ad revenue from these videos while I'm in Australia, I'll be donating to two different charities. So the New South Wales Rural Firefighters Charity, and also Wires, which is a animal sanctuary charity as well. So I'm going to leave the links to both of those charities, so if you want to donate, or if you are going to be enjoying the videos while I'm in Australia and you feel like, do you know what, I would like to donate to help in some way, because this is the thing, like it's like the tiniest thing that I could ever do. So I feel like because Australia is like a second home to me, like that is the least that I can do. So I just thought I would get that out of the way to start off with. And yeah, I don't want you to think that I'm not acknowledging it. I do, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to ride in Adelaide. And yeah, so this morning I arrived in Adelaide last night, had a sleep, and now I'm going to head for a ride up Norton Summit. Going to meet someone who you may know, you may not know, I'm pretty sure you will. So I reckon let's head off and just get pedaling, because I am just I'm just so excited I just love Australia so much, Adelaide in particular. So right, let's go.
Fucking attention.
So we are at the top of Mount Lofty. See behind me, Harley Duran Rider is here, so we've come out to have a little ride out and almost retrace the steps of my first ever ride. This is where I came on my first bike. Harley helped me pick my first ever bike and rode up here, and obviously today felt so much easier than that first ride. Just love being back here. It's so nice and nostalgic, and it is a cracking place to ride bikes. So we'll chat to Harley in a bit when he's just talking bikes as always. To some people we've met up here, so yeah, I'll grab him later on and we'll chat. Just feel so happy. I just feel so happy. It's the sunshine, bikes, climbing.
I leave on the 9th.
Love it.
There's a koala. That's where I saw him.
Oh my god. Is this the same one?
Oh my gosh. It's a better picture. I want that picture. Hello, my little furry friend. Hey, did you go vegan on a road back there?
I'll never do that.
Oh, okay.
A little bit of what's that? That's your bar end. The bar end. Oh my god. That's what gravel does.
How good.
Do you know where you're going?
Really? Get on this shit. You filming now?
Yes.
I don't know where we're going.
Just a bit of gravel.
Tasha, where we going?
Nice bit of gravel.
Honestly, you always get us in these situations.
We're going to get an Uber.
Nah, it's good. See, there's loads of gravel in Adelaide. Come and do gravel bikepacking.
Adelaide used to be called Gravelade.
Did
And
it?
they had issues with Google Maps, they changed it to Adelaide. Yeah, only 10 years ago it was called Gravelade.
No, it wasn't. Shut up.
Started. I've done over, how many hundreds of thousands of Ks I've done.
Yeah.
I don't actually know where I am right now. I know, but that's Montague, I know that's back towards Norton's, but I don't know this exact junction.
I've had the nicest first day back in Australia. It's just, I love it so much. There's not actually been that much footage because we've just been chatting and riding, and yeah, you'll be seeing Harley in more of my videos while I'm here. Also as well this morning bumped into Abdullah as well. So if you don't know who Abdullah is, he won Indy Pac and the Trans Am bike races, well, last year now. But how cool was that? Just like bumping into him, he was just kind of descending down Norton Summit and just like, hey, how are you? So I'm going to hopefully be doing, well, meeting him up, maybe doing a ride with Abdullah as well, which will be really good. And I guess I wanted to kind of come and chat to you now as it is the first day, because, and this is maybe a bit self-indulgent of me, but hopefully I'm doing it to give you inspiration, is because this is where YouTube started for me, this is where cycling started for me. So I was here in 2013, bought my very first road bike in Adelaide, which was the Giant, which you've seen in how many videos, and yeah, basically started riding on these roads. So like coming back here for me is just I don't know, I just feel really like, I don't know what it is, I just feel really, I don't know what the feeling is, just nice and like proud of myself, I guess, of where my fitness has gone and how much weight I've lost. And I guess it's to give you inspiration. I'm going to show you some like bits of clips of footage of me here, because I'm actually staying in the same place where I stayed when I was travelling for the year and when I was staying in Adelaide. So that's really nice to be back in that same place. And it just, I guess it brings back all those feelings of when I was at my heaviest, when I felt like utter crap, when I felt so unfit, when I felt like riding a bike 10k was hard, because it was. I think the first big ride I did here was, well, my first ever big ride on a road bike was 60k, and it was 30k out to the beach and back. And I remember getting back and just feeling dead. Like I felt absolutely wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. And it was fairly flat as well, and it was all on like little lovely bike paths like this. But it's just so nice to be back here and feel fitter and have just, I guess it's to give me a bit, as arrogant as it sounds, to give myself a bit of a pat on the back, but also to try and give you encouragement if you are feeling like you are not fit, or that you've got some weight to lose, or you know, whatever thing you want to try and start doing, just put in the time and you'll get good at it. And I'm not saying I'm the best cyclist in the world, I'm definitely not the fastest cyclist or the best cyclist in the world, but I feel fit and I feel good and I feel happy, and cycling has, and YouTube has just changed my life. And I'm gonna get all emotional and teary because it does make me feel like that, and I feel I'm just so grateful. And it's because of Harley, like I mentioned earlier, it's because of him that I got on a bike. So I will forever be grateful for him getting me into cycling, because it's just the most incredible thing that I've ever done, and I'm just so happy.
Marietta so far.
So nice, like I was just saying, like this is my second to last day in Adelaide, and I've not been here, so met up with Harley for the bike ride at Norton Summit, and yeah, he brought me here. I wish I'd been here before now, but at least I've been, and it's just like an incentive to go out and explore where you live and ride your bike, and otherwise I wouldn't have come here today. So yeah, it's an incentive for people to get out and
explore.
Yeah.
I just feel really happy being back here and being here and riding these roads. So yeah, let me go on to what I was actually going to tell you about. So Norton Summit took me 2 hours the first time I did it. God, my arm's getting achy, sorry, hang on. Oh, switch arms. So yeah, the first time that I did it took me about 2 hours. It was my first ever climb that I ever did. It literally took me 2 hours in a t-shirt, I was in trainers, I didn't really take enough water, I'd gone in the middle of the day, it was so hot. And it was just, I felt so achieved when I'd done that ride though. Like when I'd done that climb, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I've climbed this. And like today, I've not obviously done an effort up it, but it was just so, I guess, effortless, compared to, because it felt like a mountain. The first time I did it, it felt like a colossal climb mountain, and I guess it is just the time that I've put in, so you can do the exact same. And if you have done the same, because I know so many of you have, well done, because it is hard and we've stuck at it and we've got the results. So right, I'm going to stop jabbering on now. I'm going to head back, get a shower, maybe just lay out for a little bit in the lovely glorious sunshine, and then a few of us are going to go out for food later. So we're going to go and get some nice vegan grub. So yeah, so many exciting. Anything you want me to film while I'm here? Obviously for the Tour Down Under, but is there anything else specifically you'd like me to do? Potentially going to be doing some long rides, maybe doing one tomorrow actually. So while the weather's like this, I just want to get out and just get in the lovely beautiful weather because it's just bloody glorious. Anyway, I'll see you very shortly. What temperature is it right now?
It is too fucking hot to be honest.
It's 31 degrees and you're in a jumper. What is going on? I am sweltering.
Sick because I got really burnt sitting reading my book and then woke up and looked like a lobster.
Don't know how people deal with this heat. That guy's in his bloody jumper.